Okay, so you have your Tapo C220 with a red light, either steady or flashing, okay? And you want to solve this. I have the solution here for you. Mine is just like this, you see, I have the information tap to refresh, and there is no video here. And this works with any Tapo camera. It's not only the Tapo C220, but other Tapo cameras as well. The first thing that I have to check here is the internet. Perhaps the camera is not connected to the internet. Let me just come here to my router. You see here that I have two of them. One is a repeater and one is a router, okay? The camera is connecting to this one, but for some reason I don't see the LED here, so it may be stuck. So the first thing that I have to try is just disconnect the router from the power, just like I'm doing here, and then connect it back. Then I just observe if the camera comes back, okay? So just unplug, plug it back, wait for it to connect. I just need to observe the LED here. When it's steady, that means that it's connecting to the internet again. Then I can check the camera again. So let's just wait for this. And if it doesn't work, then you can try something else. Okay, so it's back, so it's working. You see here, it's steady LED. Let's just check the camera. I still see that's red, but now I just need to wait a little bit more. The camera will try to connect to the router or to the repeater, and if that works, the LED is going to change here. So let's just wait and see it. There we go, it just changed to green, so it may be working, okay? And just put the camera back there so I can see some motion. And here, I'm just tap to refresh, and you see if it works. Can try a few times, right? See this spinning. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's working. Let me just try to move the camera. It's now working. The control is not working for some reason. If that happens, you can just close the app and open it again. Let me just come here and open it again. Here's the Tapo C220. Now it's working. Okay, a little bit of latency, but it's working. That's good, okay? And let me just check here, it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. There we go, it's connected and it's working. So that's one. If it doesn't work for some reason, what you can do is just reset your camera. But I'm not talking about a complete reset, but a partial reset, which means you can just go to the camera and change the Wi-Fi, okay? Let me just turn off the notifications here. And you see that I have here the Wi-Fi connected, right? It's connected to my repeater, and I can connect directly to my router, to my main router if I want to, because the repeater is giving me some trouble sometimes. Then I can connect directly to my other Wi-Fi, right? Or you can just connect to your main router. Doesn't matter, but maybe the camera is not connecting there. So what I have to do is just come here and partially reset the camera. Let me just grab a tool here so I show you that I'm going to press the reset button and hold for 5 seconds. Don't hold for more than 5 seconds. If you hold for 10 seconds, it's going to completely reset the camera, okay? We don't want that. So here you see the LED. I'm gonna press and hold for 5 seconds and see when it starts flashing red. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it goes, flashing. It's flashing slowly. That's what you want, okay? Just bring the lens back, and you see that now it's going to flash red and green. That means I can set up the camera, so I can just start over. Just come here to the main screen, and I just disregard this because the camera is no longer working. And I come here and add a device again. It's going to replace this one, okay? So come here, add a device. This is an indoor camera. So I come down and look for Tapo C220. That's the one. So I see the LED here flashing. That's correct. And here I just need to connect the cell phone directly to the camera. I look for Tapo underline cam something. So I just come here. Wait for it to load. It keeps keeping position here. There we go, it's here. So it's connecting directly to the camera. Then I come back here to the app. Wait for it to connect. There we go, it's a nice animation. And here I see a pre-configured device. That's what I want, and I want to keep the existing settings. I wait now. And now I can select the Wi-Fi I want to connect to. Okay, I can change here to a new Wi-Fi. I'll just come here to my Wi-Fi -24. That's the one that I want to use right now. It's my router. I'm connecting direct to my router. If you have just one router, you just need to set up the camera with the one that you have, right? And then I just hit next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, I got the message. The Wi-Fi is connected, and I see here that now I have the green LED, which is good. Then I just need to wait here to finish. It's the regular way that it usually do for the setup, okay? It's finishing here. I have the green LED. Let me just put the camera back there. Wait for it to finish, and then we're good to go. And there we go, the setup is complete, it sounds good. Just dismiss this, 30-day trial. Then it's gonna come the part that I can set up the recordings. I have a Tapo hub here in the network. Sometimes the camera just finds the Tapo hub. And I can just skip this process because if you don't have a Tapo hub there, you don't need to set up this part, right? There we go, local storage, got it. And the camera is back working there. Okay, so pretty simple. Basically, that's the way you can fix this problem with the Tapo C220 or any other Tapo camera with the red LED here, either flashing or a steady LED, right? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.